Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 4 of our March daily math. Let's begin. We have 5 plus 40 equals 20 plus 20 plus 5. Is this true or false? Well, let's see. The 5s we can kind of get rid of, right? We know those are the same. Now, does 40 equal 20 plus 20? Is that true? 20 plus 20 is 40. Very good. So that is going to be a true statement. Draw the hands on the clock to show the time your class goes to lunch. Well, we go to lunch fairly early, when we go around the 10:55 to 10:58 range. So our class time when we go to lunch is, I believe, technically 10:58. So I'm going to put my minute hand all the way out to the 8 right here. That's 50, 55, 56, 57, 50, 56, 57, 58. So right here. Okay, and now remember, I put my minute hand all the way out, and I would touch that minute, right? Our hour hand is almost to the 11, isn't it? It's in 2 minutes. It's going to be 11 o'clock. So there we go. There's 10:58. Excuse me. Whew. Now, Finn says there are 10 fewer hearts than moons in Emma's bag of marshmallows. Is he correct? Yes or no? Well, then why or why not? So we want to know 10 fewer hearts. So this time we're going to compare hearts with moons. Okay, so moons, we have 13. All right, so moons 13. And hearts, we have 6. And Finn is saying that there are 10 fewer hearts than moons. So is that correct? Is 6 10 less than 13? No, that is not correct. So is Finn correct? No, Finn is not correct. Why or why not? So we could say because 6 hearts is only 7 less or fewer, less than 13 moons, not 10 fewer or 10 less. So 6 hearts is only 7 less than 13 moons, not 10 fewer or less. Okay? Now we're going to count by 5s, okay? So 400, we have, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We're just counting by 5. So then we have 405, 410, 415, 420, 425, 430, 435, 440, and 445. Okay. It's almost spring. Oh, I love it. 23 robins are in the park. Some fly away. Now there are 12 robins. How many flew away? Okay, so we have 23 robins in the park right now. Okay. Minus some equals 12, right? Because 12 flew away, or excuse me, some left and flew away. That means 12 are left, right? So 23 minus a number equals 12. Well, that's the same as saying 23 minus 12 equals that number, right? Either way we do it, we're going to get the same answer. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is also 1. So we have, how many robins flew away? 11 robins. Okay? All right. Great job, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of your daily math.